Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance. What's going on now? Let's dive in. We are in this range, look, 212 days. So it's kind of weird, because we over than a half year, we are in sideways, just in a basic sideways. And it's kind of boring year because if we go into 12 months time frame here, 1, 2, 3 years up, then we come back and close over than this one, over than 50% of range. Yes. So we don't need to drop a full fill. Full fill now on the yearly time frame is around 13,885. So around here, it's a full fill. So yes, it can be the story like this one, 2024. Then we close 2024 around test 14, test and close 22. And then 2025, we go in to new all-time high with one God candle, like this one. But I don't think so. I think it's going to be, or the story like this one, going to 5K. Or it's going to be the story like this candle and another candle, but not beat the 100K. Because 100K now for the people is like a magnet. And we will form the historical three drives pattern, up. And then it's going to be a long road down for around, I don't know, maybe 3 years or 4 years. And in 2025, 2026, 2027, the total model of Bitcoin is going to be broke. Let's take a look on the local picture now for Bitcoin on Binance. Let's come back here. This is a monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, what we can see here? No makes sense to drop to this area to fulfill to 18K 300 because we already tested and close gap here monthly. So the monthly gap is more important than weekly. Next story, usually we got impulse, sideways impulse. So impulse, sideways impulse. Next impulse have to be around here, around 48, because I already explained it. Nasdaq, gold, and the S&P 500 already was on levels of March 2022. So impulse, sideways impulse. And then we can see correction and continuation of the trend. Now, like you can see, the people always mostly wrong. I highly recommend you go and read my article about a sentiment on TradingView, about sentiment, how it works and how you can understand the sentiment on the market in social media and trying to predict the price chart. If we take a look on a weekly time frame, what we got? We got a range and we sweep this low. In August, we sweep the low of June. Sweep the low. Then reject at equilibrium, reject at equilibrium, reject, reject. 3 rejections. Now we go into daily time frame. So from higher time frame to the lower time frame. Now I would like to see, personally, here, let's mark. We got, it's a daily time frame. We got this liquidity. This is going to be the target, right? And this one. This one. I don't think so. We will go like this move. I don't think so. It's going to be just a horrible scenario for Bitcoin, We're going out of the range. Now I would like to see, if we go back to weekly time frame, we have to form the three weeks in a row, 1, 2, and 3. So next candle, we can open the week from, for example, 26,900. Forming the third week like this one, leave the tiny gap, and then by end of October make a reversal move and go in higher, for example, than equilibrium again. And we will close October in average price around 27,500, for example. So 3 weeks in a row down. Then on the last week of October, we will see the close of gap here. And in November, we go in higher. So this is the logic, Now on a daily, yes, most likely before the weekend. And on a weekend, I guess we will see something like this one. maybe even sweep this low and going higher like this one. So this is what about Bitcoin. Main target still relevant, still absolutely relevant. If we take a look on indicators now, ADZ accumulation. So now it's on a weekly time frame, accumulation and on a weekly. Direction, no signal to buy or sell. We're just in the middle. Weekly market mood, yes, we're in red zone, but not an extremely zone like this one, you know. So this is a good sign. I would like to see next week also a red, yes, just to be honest, also red for Bitcoin. And I would like to see the market come down to the orange zone. So this is what I wish for. Daily here, divergence direction. Here was a signal to sell in June 2023. Here at 31K. So it's not a big deal, you know, because we just trade in the range. Now we're in accumulation stage on direction on ADZ direction, no signals, even on a daily. And on the daily, we start calm down on market mood, because look, here's the bottom, disbelief on the daily, pump to extreme top. But it's kind of weird because 24,600 till 3K difference range, and we're already in extreme zone. Now we come down to orange zone. So I would like to see some orange zone like this one, then yellow, blue, and white, and pump again like this one, and recover, move to the next high. If we take a look on trade on, what do we got? Sell, take profit from shorts, buy. So this signal to buy still relevant. So at 25,900, still relevant signal to buy. Then we drop, recommendation close position. Now no new signal to buy. On a weekly, here it was a main bottom for market in June 2022. Now we got only recommendation close position. I already showed you how it works previously. And if we take a look on take profit, what changed now? You remember we test the buy line on futures on a Binance. Take profit now 33,700, exit line 38 on a weekly. On a Bitstamp, we got 34,600 take profit, exit line 39. But I think we can go much higher, like this one, or like this one, and retest the buy line, or we go in higher and then retest the buy line. For Bitcoin dominance, I mark it. Previously, like you remember, I mark that 51 and 10, and we hit 51.34. So we got a reaction. But if we go to 12-hour time frame and a daily, here we got next one. It's 52. Top was 52.18, and this one is around 58%. I don't think so. We will go to 66 and higher. Of course, you can see the lines are dynamic, but the same story was here when the line start curve up. You know, here first impulse, then down, and the second impulse. But it's totally a different story. We can't compare the market in September 19 or September or August 18 with 2022, 2023. So it's totally different markets. So here's the levels for Bitcoin dominance, and here's a block where we will see the altcoin season zone. This is a zone where you have to fix your profit. And the last one, I would like to show you the DXY. DXY, the main target, I mark these levels. I would like to see, we got a lot of here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 weeks in a row, green. I never seen the 11 weeks in a row, green for DXY, ever. Maybe here. Maybe only in June 2014. And you can see what happened next. We drop. So now I would like to see this rejection. Perfect scenario if we will test the 0.5 level of FIPS 107 and 109 and then going down long road down to DXY bottom, BTC top. So I recommend you go and read this trading view idea, my posts. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.